Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can add shipping labels to your Shopify store. So let's get started. At the left corner you can see this option, add apps. You just simply have to tap onto it, and here you can see these options. Just go to Shopify search bar and search for shipping labels. Okay, so there you can see many types of apps. For example, let's search for shipping label. Okay, here you can see search for shipping labels right here, and we will find a bunch of providers right here. As you can see, there are a bunch of providers. Now choose the one that you want to use. For example, I'm gonna go with this one. Let's tap onto it, and now you have to install the extension and wait until the extension installing is completed, and then you have to log in to it. Like, tap onto install now. Let's install it. So now it's redirecting us to its admin site. Now as you can see, here we go. Let's cancel this one. Okay, as you can see, this one refused to connect, so we are gonna choose another one to connect. Okay, so let's choose ship is at this one. Let's install this one and let's check it out. Let's install it and wait until it is loaded, and let's get it started. So there we go. As you can see, ShipEZ is now added to our Shopify store very easily. So now let's quote it. Now you can check it out easily. You can sync shipping zone from ShipEZ extension. You can choose any other providers. I choose this one. Now let's sync shipping zones. So let's sync it. As you can see, shipping zone has automatically synced. Now let's sync store information to ShipEZ. This is also has been synced. Now sync customers. So there we go. This is also has been synced easily. Now let's check it out more advanced settings. You can choose your rates and all other things. You can choose your distance, weight, and all the other things you can from here. So this is how you can create labels on your Shopify stores very easily. So that's it, and if this video is helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.